Okay, Bhuvan, you can share the screen.
Okay.
If anybody is trying to join, okay, just admit them and give recording permission. Okay.
Okay.
See, now, okay, what is it? Tata is down. Just to see something is happening. Okay, so now you are trying to do the merge. Okay. Yeah, okay. Go and check. So there won't be any conflict, right? Because you're not done any changes here. Only on branches you are done, but not on the trunk. So now we'll do the changes in both and we'll try to merge it. Commit this. Wait. That we have seen already, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do the commit here, the branch. Have you done any changes here again?
No, sir. It is
Do
in
one thing. Okay, cancel.
trunk. Okay.
Cancel. Go to trunk. Go to trunk. Commit it. Okay, update. Say okay. You can say conflict resolved. Something. Okay, fine. So now you got to know how this file conflict is going to occur, right? Actually, initially somebody has asked, okay, you're facing some issue with conflict. Who is that?
It's me, sir. Kalamati.
Okay, able to follow now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just follow like this. Do it properly. Okay.
Okay.
Try to understand the concept. Okay. So if you know, then you can do whatever you want. Okay. So do the changes. First, you try to do without any changes in the trunk. Do the changes in branch and try to merge it. So it will automatically merge. And do the changes in both and try to merge it. You'll get a conflict. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let us see how to get a tree conflict now. Okay. So what is the condition to in tree conflict? Just go and read that condition. Tree conflict occurs. No, there only in the top. Just go to the top. Okay. Try to understand here. Tree conflict occurs when a developer moved or renamed or deleted a file or a folder. Okay. Which another developer either also has moved, renamed, deleted. Any one of the thing if you do it, okay, you'll get a tree conflict. Okay. Let us see. Okay. In trunk, you do modify in branch, go to branch first. Okay. Do modification to anyone. First, you do one thing, rename any one of the file. Okay. Then just commit this. Right click and commit.
Here only or branch.
Here only you can do. You just say renamed. Select that file.
Both files.
Hmm. Say okay. Okay. And then one file is renamed. Another file you try to delete it. File 3, delete this. Tata is SVN, go to Tata is SVN, wait. Go to Tata is SVN.
Delete.
Yeah, delete it.
Yeah.
Okay. So now these are the changes. Just go to the trunk, go to the branch and commit it. Okay. See now in trunk also we will do something. Okay. Rename this file again. File 4.
Last file.
Yeah,
Different name.
yeah, with different name. Commit it. Okay. And now, if you want, you can delete this. Okay. Or else. Okay. Fine. Now come to the trunk. That is fine. So now try to do the merge. Wait, before doing the merge, take the updates on both. Okay. So now try to do the merge. Yeah, this is fine. Say next. Merge.
Okay.
See, now there is something called tree conflict occurs. See, left side you can see tree conflict. Before it was file conflict. Okay. Tree conflict means it is for red color. See, tree conflict. Before when we try to do it, it is a file conflict. Okay, it was a file conflict. See here, there is a go to the top corner here. See trunk, it is something yellow mark. Left side, wait. Here, left side, and the top. App is there, right? App 1.0. And trunk, you see what is that? App is green mark, and trunk is yellow mark. Okay, something yellow and explanatory. See, this means it is conflicted. This symbol. Green means everything is fine. Red means modified. Okay. So remember this. Next, go to the tortoise. See, here you have this option. So tree conflict cannot be resolved just like a file conflict. You can't edit this. So whereas in a file conflict, you'll get an option to edit the conflict and you'll get a window there you can see what are the changes. Here in tree conflict, it is not possible to resolve in that way. See, postpone is there and mark as resolved is there and ignore incoming deletion and accept incoming deletions. See, this is actually done by the development side, okay? I don't know why they are renamed, okay? I don't know why they are deleted. All these things will be decided by the developers only. If I know whether that file is renamed is okay, it is fine for me, then you can accept that changes, okay? If you are not sure why they are renamed, why they are deleted, then you can ignore incoming deletion. So you can ignore accepting that and mark as resolved. So suppose imagine that, okay, whatever renamed, deleted, everything is fine. So no issue with me, okay. So then you can mark as resolved. Or else, okay, whatever they are renamed and okay, deleted file, everything is fine. Then I'll accept incoming deletion. Okay. So this choice is done by the development side only, but you should know these options. What are the things you're going to get in tree conflict? So tree conflict cannot be edited just like a file conflict. So here you have to decide whether I want to accept that or not, or whether I can ignore. Okay. Or you can postpone and then you can check why they are deleted and what is the reason. Just say postpone. Okay, say okay. Okay. So now right click on trunk. There is an option called, okay, go to Tata SSVN, check modification will be there. See, check for modification. Go up, third option. Yeah. Here it will show, okay, what is modified here. Okay. See, some file is deleted, some file is in conflict. Okay. So last file text. So here you'll come to know what you have modified in the trunk. In the same way, in branch also you can go and check what is the modification. Okay, just close this. Go to right click branch and see what is the modification they have done. Okay. This is okay. This is okay. Close this. Actually, when you're trying to merge it to the trunk, no, here only it will show. Okay, in trunk, what are the modification they have done and why it is, whether it is required to accept or not. That it is decided by the developers. Okay. So right click on this again.
Branch.
Trunk. Okay. So here Tata SSVN. So if you have postponed, then here you have an option to resolve the conflict. Okay. Or you can say mark as resolved. So just say resolve conflict. You can't resolve conflict. Down. Resolve. Go up. Okay. Say okay. Hmm. Say okay. Okay. Now go to the trunk and commit it. See, now it has changed to red. Okay. So I'm just accepting whatever they have done the changes. Just I'll mark as result. That's it. SV and commit. So tree conflict cannot be edited just like a file conflict. Okay. So you have to accept or something like this. Okay. Just say tree conflict resolved. Okay. This is how you can see that okay, file conflict or tree conflict, and then you can resolve the conflict. They'll ask, okay, in interview, what is the difference between file conflict and tree conflict and how we are going to resolve this? Okay, this is the way you can resolve the file conflict or tree conflict. Okay, just you have to remember this. This is a very important thing. Okay, now just go to right click on this white space. Right click on this white space. Go to tortoise. Go to settings. See, there is something called icon set. Up, go up. Icon set. Yeah, click on this. See, here you will come to know what is the color code. See, green means what? Normal. Red means modified. See, that yellow means conflicted. Plus means added. Okay, and then cross means deleted. So there are some options. Okay, some color code. So you have to see all this thing. And there is something called lock. Okay, so these are the things. Just remember this color code. Okay, if you find any color things, just see conflicted, okay, deleted, all these things. You can see all these things in a locks. History, when you go to history, you can identify this. Green means normal, red means modified, okay, yellow means conflicted, something like this. Okay, close, cancel. Okay, fine. So this is about the branching, merging, all these things. Okay, all these things normally done by the development side only. Developers are going to work more on this coding. Okay, the only thing you have to remember how this tool works, what is the concept of branching, merging, and how to resolve the conflicts. Okay, fine. So now I told there is okay, like who is doing what, when, why, all these things you can identify. And moreover, why we have to use this version control. Collaboration is also okay, doing from the different teams. And another one is safety, right? And moreover, suppose imagine that I have one file, okay, and I don't want anybody to do the changes to that file without my knowledge. Okay, in that scenario, you can apply the lock to a file. Okay, just go to trunk. Okay, edit any one of the file. Okay, go to the last line. Just type some numbers. Okay, whatever it is. So I'll consider this number is very important for me. Some modification I have done or password. Imagine that password. This is a password for, okay, this is a password for some server. If you want to log in, okay, this is my password. So this is more important for me. I don't want to change this line, this password from anybody. Okay, just close this. Commit it. Okay, save. Okay, fine. And now, wait. So now you added this. Okay. Now I want to save this file. So you can apply the lock here. Just say get lock. Right side. Get lock. Lock. So I'm going to lock this file by the user one. Okay, whatever user, which user you have modified, just say lock applied. Okay, locked off whatever you want to type it. Okay, just say okay. Okay, give the user who is logged. Okay, so see, so now on the trunk you have created, you have done some changes to this file and you have locked this. And in the same time, okay, in the trunk only, okay, if another user is trying to modify this, and then if you try to commit it, what happens? You just check, open this file, do some modification to the next line. You try to commit it by another user. Okay. See down, wait. Okay, before committing, just say, okay, give user one. This is locked by user two. Okay, try to, user one is trying to do some modification and he is trying to commit it. So then see what happens. See, it says it's already locked by the user two. So you're not able to commit it. Okay, just say okay. So only thing is it will mention, okay, in that error or red, it is going to show that who is locked, right? See here, you can see here also lock, below lock you have user two. So it's locked by the user two. Okay, it's clearly mentions. So then user one goes and talk to the user two, and if it is really required that changes, this both they are going to discuss, and if everything is fine, then user one is going to release the lock, then user two can commit it. Otherwise, it's not possible. Okay. So now user two goes and user one comes and talk to the user two, and he will agree for releasing the lock. Then only you can commit it. Okay. Cancel this commit. Okay. So now the discussion is completed. Now user one is going to release the lock. Okay. Right click on this.
Sir, ಅದು ಲಾಕ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay. Lock symbol. No. Go to the Tata SSVN. Release lock. Say okay. Now you have to give the user one. Okay. Now who has logged actually user two? You have to give user two. Wait. You have to give user two. See, it is unlocked now. Just say okay. Now try to commit it. Okay, got it. So this is how you can protect your files, okay, by applying the locks so that only it is okay preserved for you. So nobody can do the modification to that. Okay, this is one of the security aspects. Okay, so now close this. Let us see. Okay, so there is something called hooks. Okay, so go to Tata SSVN.
Any files are in
No,
blank.
Visual SVN. Visual SVN. Go to Visual SVN. Okay, go to the demo. Right click on demo. Go to properties. There is something called hooks. See, okay. See, here you can apply the hooks so that it can protect your things. See, you're giving a proper message, right? So I'll go and ask developers to give a proper message while committing the file every time. Okay. So, but he refuses that, okay, I have spent a lot of time for development only. I don't have time to provide a message. I'm not going to do that. Okay. By saying that, he will refuse. But it's a process for us because if a developer do some changes or if we introduce some bad commits, okay, bad changes, and then without any message, if he commits, okay, then what happens? When you've done the deployment to the production, if that application is not working properly, it is behaving, okay, in a different way, then it will be difficult to track who has done these changes and why this is behaving like this. In that scenario, okay, so I want the process to be followed by all the users, all the developers. Okay. So when you go and talk, he'll say, okay, I'll do it. But at the end of the day, while committing, he will forget and he won't, okay, give the proper message. In that scenario, it will be a problem for us. Okay, there may be two things. Sometimes, okay, they won't follow. Okay, sometimes they will forget. So all these things will be there. And sometimes, okay, developer he'll think, okay, I'm great, why I should do all these things, why I should, okay, uh, listen to him. Okay, I won't do this. So in this scenario, it will be a problem for the deployment team members. Okay, it is for problem for us to track. So for that reason, I am going to in a background. This is a background. Okay, this won't be done from any developer. The developer won't be knowing this. Okay, only the administrator is going to perform this. Applying hooks. So this is nothing but a particular script I am going to write, like a small script. Okay, where I can restrict the particular activity so that he should, okay, give that message. Otherwise, I won't allow him to commit. I won't take his code to the production. Okay, this can be implemented using the hooks. Okay, so what can these hooks scripts do actually? So it report on events such as emailing alert, okay, when a commit occurs, sending a report on the commit to a third party, or I'll restrict the team members to not to commit if they are not providing a proper message. I'm not allowing him to delete the file. So like this, you can restrict so many activities. Okay, so that is done from the hook section. So here you have pre-commit hook, post-commit hook, okay, all this thing. So I will be applying the pre-commit hook. Click on pre-commit hook. Wait, commit, pre-commit hook. Where is the pre-commit hook? Yeah, you can say edit. Okay, so here you can include some of the hooks. That means some script where I am going to restrict the user without giving any message. Okay, I am not going to allow him to commit it. Okay, so let me give you that code to the chat. Okay. So just take it from the chat, copy and paste it over here. Now go to chat, copy that and put it over here. Just go up. What happened? Okay, do one thing. Copy that to a notepad. Open the notepad and copy that to a notepad and do some modification. Think it is not. Open a new notepad, copy from the chat and put it into notepad. Not here. I don't want to put here. Just open a new notepad. No, that's okay. You're already open. Just copy and paste it. How many notepads you're opening?
It's not.
Copy from the chat.
Yeah, I have already copied.
What happened? Not pasting.
It's
Okay.
not. I'll give you. Okay. I'll again resend it. Just try. Okay. Now take it from the chat. Put it over here. Remove this. Remove it. Entire. Cancel. Just say cancel. Wait. So it is not copying properly in the format. Just open it in a Word document or Notepad. We have to align this properly. Okay, just come to the left side. Move to the left side. I think it is taking it in a single line. Okay. So after half, next. Wait. After the dots, now first dot, first box, you press enter. No, wait, just go up, second line. Do one thing. Copy this to the Word document and see. Go to the Word. Open a Word. Just paste this.